See, it just
Dang!
you're a hill climbing
Did you?
beast.
I mean, it was just going.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Hey man, I don't want to go on this straight one here. There's one that angles out through there, right here somewhere.
It's actually marked as a road.
Yeah, there's one. This one here is marked straight, and then there's one that angles off out through that way. Which I guess we can go on this one too. It don't matter. Check them all out. Anyway, we are off out here in the desert somewhere, checking out some trails.
5 foot from town, even though it doesn't look like it.
Yeah, I mean, it's ridiculous. The town is right there. There went a big
That
old
was
jackrabbit.
huge.
A big old monster jackrabbit. These things look like deer out here. I think they may be jackalope. See this
Yeah.
trail here.
That's the one. I'll say, let's go on that one.
At least they ain't gonna roost you too bad. I try not to get on the throttle too
Honestly,
hard.
I think there's enough moisture under the top layer here that it's not that bad. There's some dust, but it ain't as bad as it could be.
Well, that and I'd have to have a little more power probably to roost you.
Yeah.
Look at this. This is a bunch of cattle trails out here or something, or animal trails. Okay, now we missed that angled one. I don't know what we're on now.
Looks like we're on
It goes that way.
one of the roads less traveled.
This is going to go out here to where we come in on the highway. No, I don't think this goes anywhere, really. It's probably going to go right back to where we was on that road we just came around.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all it's going to do, I guarantee you. Well, who knows? You never know till you know. Look at this out here. It's crazy. It's like
It's weird.
pick and choose. Okay, where do we go now? I don't know. That looks like that just circles around right here. Well, I don't know. What do you think?
I think we're about to get lost.
Yeah, well. Maybe we end up getting
It's
saved.
so weird.
Yeah, here we are. We're right back to where we started from. Okay, let's just get across here. Heck, that angled road is out here somewhere. Oop.
Well, at least the next people will know where to go because we're carving such a ridiculous
Yeah,
path.
like follow them motorcycle trails right there. Them people probably know where they're going.
Yeah, they were tearing it up.
They don't.
God.
look how they have dug ruts with all that power.
Freaking 4,000 cc's of.
Yeah, beast mode. We're worse than Eli Tomac.
Yeah.
I'm on this cow trail now. That's what it is. Cows or deer or something. It shows that one that's angled is right here, but I just don't see it.
No.
Oh.
Huh.
Maybe this is it. This may be it right here.
This is the road we were already on, ain't it?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, okay.
It's not the one we come down.
No, no.
We come down.
We
come down along those houses over there.
Yeah. I'm sure this goes right back to the freaking power pole place.
This is the angled road. Now the map catches up with itself here. That's where we're at.
Yeah, it was probably just slightly off because it's not a
Yeah.
on a main road or even like a secondary road.
It's a fourth dairy.
Yeah, let's say it's like a 5th or 6th.
I don't know if these are there. Look at there.
There's another one. That means we're close.
So that city sewer system comes all out through here.
Yeah, they didn't mess around. They're ready. They're ready to expand.
Which we know it goes out there to the sewer treatment.
Oh, you know what that probably is? That's probably part of Bisbee.
Could be.
How far?
Everything else is Bisbee.
I know. Holy crap! Like if you actually look up how far Bisbee's land goes, it's ridiculous. Like
Yeah.
even Sierra Vista don't even go out that far.
Everywhere we're at, it's like Bisbee, Bisbee. It's like, gosh,
Well,
that's
if
a little bitty town.
you get halfway down past the exit to go over to Montezuma Pass, and it's like you're entering Bisbee. It's like what?
I
Bisbee's
know.
like 30 miles from here.
I know. I don't get it. How much Bisbee? It's all down through here.
All just Bisbee at the end of the day, really.
But yeah, like I said, it goes out to that silver treatment plant out there.
Yeah.
We don't know where we're going.
Mm.
If you guys are watching my videos thinking you're going to learn where to go, don't.
Learn how to get lost.
Yeah, learn how to get lost. Where's that idiot going?
All right, we're back on the main one again.
Yeah, this is the one we come in on.
Yep.
The Power Line Road. This is Chief Joseph. I didn't know them old chiefs had names like Joseph back then.
No, that's a native name.
I know they had. Oh, Joseph is, yeah. I thought they had names like Chief Eagle Feather, Chief No Wipe, or
It's Chief Joseph and Chief Jonathan.
Chief Dingleberry.
Yeah.
I don't know. The other one here, that's when there goes curves and goes straight out. Look at this jackrabbit.
Other one.
That's
Yeah,
the one that goes straight out to where we was at the end of it.
I think it's an optical illusion. I think their freaking ears are so big that it makes them look way bigger than they are.
Maybe.
Because their ears are like twice as tall as the rest of their body.
Yeah. Yeah, their ears are stupid huge.
Not like a normal rabbit.
Why can't we go in there and play?
No.
I mean, ain't that like a jungle gym?
Yeah.
That you could play around on? Climb around that stuff?
Electric jungle.
You'd be like one of those squirrels fried on the telephone pole. Guarantee you there's some serious power in there. When they block it off like that, it's pretty serious.
Yep.
We still got to go back to Bisbee on these things and check out the rest of it.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
One of these days, we ain't checked it all out yet. That was a blast.
Yeah, that was fun.
Checking it out.
It don't matter what you do on these things. It's nice because it's just like you can just cruise around, and it don't matter if it's in town or on the dirt or whatever. You just cruise them around, and they're just fun. It's real casual. I like it.
Tell them that, Keith. He's saying, yeah, it's not like powering them, but they are just a blast to ride.
It's like I said, it's a comfort ride. It's like the Comfort Go Anywhere, right? It's not like, I mean, you're not gonna ride it on the road, obviously a lot, but anywhere you do take it, that you can ride at a reasonable speed limit, like this, or in a town like Bisbee or whatever, any place like that. My God, it's just so relaxing.
I think this one just goes straight out, but we can follow it, see where this power line road goes.
Yeah.
Look, it's pretty straight.
I'd say.
Now you see, yeah, I bet you this is a road you would be good on the berms on this one.
I'm telling you.
You could lay it into these berms.
I'm gonna get up to 20 miles an hour here. You watch.
I'm just putting here. People think I'm probably going slow, but try not to dash you out.
The trick is, if you want to make your CT125 videos look extreme, just lower the camera a little closer to the ground, expand the FOV.
That's true.
And then it'll look like, holy crap, they are going fast.
They are moving.
Holy moly. Like, you guys need to slow down. It's dangerous what you're doing out there. Like the Evil Knievel of 125 cc's of power.
That's the thing about these bikes. It's not about going fast, or it's not about It's just about they're just a lot of fun going slow.
Yeah. I think it's weird that like there's like this weird stigma where people are just like, if I can't go fast, I can't have fun.
Oh yeah, a lot
You
of
know,
people
it's
that way.
weird. It's like, oh, this bike doesn't do more than 50 miles an hour, so there's no way it could be fun. It's like, yeah, but if you're doing a lot of like off-road or dirt roads, I mean, how much do you really want to go more than 45 anyways? I
Right.
mean, like if you're gonna ride something on the road, you wouldn't get this bike regardless. Like if you wanted something to go fast on the road on, you get a cruiser or a street bike. That's what they're made for.
Exactly. That's what I said too. If you're going to ride with people that have Harleys and Gold Wings or crotch rockets, you don't want this bike. If you're going
Right.
to ride with people that have KTM's and big duals for even the 300Ls, you really don't want this bike.
But
You
yeah, I
know.
mean, you could ride this thing around in a decent amount of the areas. I mean, you're not going to be as fast as other bikes,
Hmm.
even, and you're not gonna. And like I said, I mean, there are some places where you're not really gonna go on these. There's some ridiculously steep stuff, and it
Well,
would just won't do.
and you got to be honest. Was honest in the video. I said this bike, it really is. It's gutless.
Yeah.
It is just gutless. There's no power here. I mean, it'll
No.
go, but this thing ain't got no power.
Well, and
It,
that's the thing is like you could literally, if you wanted almost the same experience as this, but you were just gonna off road. If you were just gonna off road and you wanted more power, why not just get a smaller dirt bike, something that rips it up, that's lightweight, that you
yeah.
can carve on?
Yeah.
Because I think that's part of it too, is that it's lightweight. It's lightweight, and the weight is low. So having something that had, if you want a little bit more power, then to do a little bit more like hill climbing and stuff. I mean, that's really all you'd need, I think, if you wanted the same kind of, basically the same thing as this, but a little bit more hill climb power. If
Right.
you want a little bit more of that, you get something that's made a little bit more for off road. That looks rough.
That's what I thought. That's why I went this way. Now watch this
Holy
be rougher.
moly!
Yeah, look at them hill climbs over. That's where I was at. That's the canyon. This is the canyon here, and
Yeah,
that's the hill climb I went up over there.
yeah.
This thing barely. Yours probably wouldn't because you're stock gearing. This one barely made it, and I was wide open, first gear, started up, and I barely made it over the top. It's all it
Yeah.
wanted. It's all this thing wanted.
Holy moly!
But there's a way around it. It's a good part.
Yeah.
You don't have to go up it because I don't think yours. Holy mackerel! What have we got here? I'm glad I'm on this. The good thing about this one is you just put your feet down and you just walk through it. I
I
mean,
mean, I'm telling you,
it's like having training wheels on. You
it
put your,
really is.
just put your feet out there and they're like, it's like a tripod to hold the
And
bike up.
like I said, the weight is so low.
Hmm. That's what I was telling Keith. I said, well, the way this engine is down there and it's a horizontal engine, all the center of gravity is way down low on this thing.
Yeah, which is crazy. So like when you're walking it down, I mean, it doesn't feel like it's going to tip over on you because all the
Right.
weight's at the bottom.
See, ain't this
But
cool? It's a little play place here everywhere.
yeah, there's a little bit of sacrifice there too because there's not a lot of you don't have a lot of height underneath the bottom, so you can bottom out easy.
Right. Come
Wait,
that
which
way
way did
over
you
there.
go?
Left.
Oh, okay.
I want you to come up this big hill climb right here and see if you can make it. It's pretty extreme.
This?
Yeah.
Oh.
You're going to get some air.
Oh crap! That was ridiculous.
Like that.
Yeah,
That's
no.
nothing. It's not really. That over there is where I went up. The one on the far left. And
That's rutted.
it's steep. Now, I didn't go up the red one, the next one over.
I was gonna say, and it's sideways and it's rutted.
Okay. So I don't know where this goes out there. But I guess we can check that out later. We can go up this first. You need to climb this hill here. It's not bad.
Don't need to do nothing.
You need to. Just first gear and just move it. Just keep on the gas. Stay on the right side is what I did. Keep my feet on the
Yeah.
pegs and Just on the gas. It's steeper than it looks, but it's still not bad. As long as you stay wide open. See, it just...
Dang!
You're a hill climbing beast.
I mean, it was just going.
Oh, I thought that was the easy way down. I think that's the easy way down right there.
I was gonna say right there, it looks easy.
Crap, I accidentally took you on the bad part.
Did you see how much the suspension was bouncing?
Yeah, mine did. Mine did too. It's crazy. Let's go. I don't know where to go. Go right.
I don't know. Yeah, let's go this way.
Let's just try it. I don't know where we're going, but
Yeah.
checking it out.
Look at all that over there.
I know. It shows it goes out there, but
That looks like more quarry stuff.
I don't think you're supposed to be out there, I bet.
It's too perfect. That's actual like quarry stuff.
Okay, guys, we're gonna get off here. Don't want to make the video too long, so everybody complains. You know. Thank you all for watching. Click the thumbs up, subscribe down below, and we'll catch you all in the next video. Right on.